Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Watch me go from this to
your beautiful smile, you're beautiful.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia Meggison. As you can see from the title, we're going to be doing my everyday makeup look, the looks that I wear every day when I'm in a hurry, most especially when I'm in a hurry. I love this look very much. It's a very simple go-to everyday makeup look, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And if you want to learn how to do your makeup yourself, keep on watching. But first of all, wait, I'm watching you. Like this video, share this video, leave a comment under this video, and all that good stuff basically. So let's get right into it. So first things first, I'm just going to get my hair out of the way so that we can get the ball rolling. Guys, I just went off camera to do my eyebrows, so we're going to be moving on. So the first thing you want to do is get as much oil out of your face. I already had my bath this evening, so just cleaning out the excess oil or dirt that has fallen on my face somehow. I don't know, but you can see there's just a little bit of dirt here on my wipes. I don't know how it got there, but I'm cleaning it out. So the first thing you want to do is prime your face, so you just have a little bit of on my T-zone. I already have a very oily skin, so that's what I'm just doing now. Now that our face is primed, I'm going to be looking at the mirror a lot, guys. I like for my primer to sit on my skin for a few minutes before I do the next step. So it has been on my face for a while, so I'm just going to do the next step. Next step is I use this translucent powder. I use a translucent powder that is just a light powder to just set my whole face. You know, this is an everyday look, so I just like to be, because like I said, I'm very oily, so I like to be as prepared as possible. Just this step helps take out excess makeup from my skin. I know that I didn't do my brows on camera, guys, but I should have a video coming up for my brows really soon, pretty soon. So that's what I'm just doing now. Just add a little bit of powder all over my face, takes out the oil that comes out during the day because your girl is oily. As I need to do my foundation, so I just put a little bit of everything on my face. I like to use very little foundation so that I can be able to be in control. As this is an everyday look, you want your face to just be like human, not like a doll all through the day. So you just put a little bit of everything and blend like your life depends on it. So now that my skin has been blended, you can see how everything looks now. It looks good. So I'm going to be applying concealer on the places that light is most likely to catch on. Yeah, on the places that light is most likely to catch on. And I just spread this one on my nose so that I have a very pointed nose, but I like to emphasize on it more. So we're just going to do that and just wait for a while. This concealer dries quickly, so I'm just going to start blending immediately. I'm going to be blending with beauty sponge, so we're starting now. This is a little bit damp, just damp enough to do the job, so I'm just blending. I'm going to do my nose now. I like to leave these parts for later. I don't know why, because once you leave it a bit, it's going to appear much brighter. So that's what we're doing now. We're just blending the nose so that we can wait for that one to sit for a bit. So blending. Sorry, I like to take it to my lid so that I can be a little bit bright. I'll blend that part. So now that our concealer is already blended in properly, like you can see, another thing I like to do is to just quickly set all the places I put concealer in. To be setting with your powder just a little bit before you bake, if you want to bake, or just set like so. Yeah, you can see the difference with where it has been set and where it has not been set. Just set your under eye so there'll be no creasing. also like to set my eyelid with just a little bit of powder. Since we put concealer there too, we set it so that there will be no creasing. So anywhere you put cream product, you set with powder. Anywhere you put cream product, you set with powder. The palette, and I'm just going over with this shade and this shade to contour my face like so. You want to like go in circles because you don't want that harsh line that people usually do. You just want to go in circles with that a shade that is a bit darker than you, so that you can give the illusion of a shadow. So you're just going in circles like that, that's what I do basically until I get the desired touch. And go a bit darker if you feel like it's not really showing, so you're just going in circles like that. So I'm just going to be doing the second side. You can see that there's a bit of difference. Just this side is just plain and this side is like already showing. You want to contour your forehead too. Ooh, side looks good. So you want to contour your nose too. People, they like to use like an angled brush, but I like to use a very flexible brush so that I can move around just the way I want to. So I'm just going to be taking it from like up here, down, 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 like that, so that everything can blend very lightly. You can go heavy on the top part, but on this side just go very lightly so that everything can be able to blend properly. Just give the illusion of a shadow. Yeah, the one in the middle can pop properly. So we're doing the other side. Yeah, we're blending. See that everything is going to come together. Don't worry about how ashy my face is looking right now. This is the process it takes to look beautiful. Process it takes to get your makeup on. So we're just blending it. So we've done the nose now. So I'm going to be adding some blush to the amples of my cheeks. The reason is because you don't want to be looking like so bland throughout the day, so you have to add some colors to your cheek. I'm using the same blush I used to do my contour because it's kind of like the same process. What I like to do is, these steps I do are just what I do personally for myself, so I like my face to look, and what I do on clients also. So just go like in circles and circles. I like to take it up too. Just go with circles, like just go round and round and round. You can see how cute this is looking. I'm looking like the baby girl. I also like to do a little bit on my nose, just rough it like this, like so. Then I'll do the top part of my face as well, so that you can just bring color to your face basically. So I just rub the remaining part of it on my face like so. Just rub it. The top part of my brow is looking a bit too light because it should be darker than the down part. It's the down part that should be light. Using my foundation shade Maybelline Super Stay, I'm just going to be cleaning the top part again with that foundation so that you can have peace of mind here. Once I cleanse, I'm just going to like blend. I hope it looks better now because I was just watching the clips and I didn't like how it was looking. So we're just going to blend that out and continue. Okay guys, so I went off camera to do my liner, my wing liner. Like you can see, step is that we're going to set our under eye and all the places we put concealer in. We already set it with powder, but now we're going to be baking for a little bit. I like to bake. I know this is looking like a lot, but this is my everyday makeup look, what I would wear every day. So I'm just going to bake in with some setting powder. Yes. This is what I usually wear every day. Notice that I don't have any eyeshadow on. Yeah, just doing this. It makes your highlight pop more. I'm just going to leave it there while I put on my lashes and do some other things. So normally you can go out with your face without lashes, your everyday look, but I like lashes a lot and I like really long ones, dramatic ones. So we're going to be using mascara on our eyes first of all. Just mascaring your eyes, taking out every you want your eyes to be as dark as possible. You don't want powder products to be on your eyes. So we're just putting this on. These are the lashes, you're just popping it on. want to put your lashes as close to your lash line as possible. So guys, now that we've put on our lashes, the next thing for us to do is dust off the excess powder, but I like to still wait, so I'm just going to line my lips first before I dust off the powder. So this is a very basic lip. I'm just using my lip pencil to line my lips round. I'm just doing a simple look today. And just blend. So now that that's done, we're going to dust off our face. So while dusting off my face, I also like to press the shade of my powder into my skin. So I just do this. So I still like to have that bright shade there, but at the same time dusting it. Dusting it off and at the same time pressing it. This is what I like to do for myself, and I don't use so much powder. I just use a little bit. Dusting and pressing at the same time. I don't know if it makes sense, but it actually makes sense to me. So I just dust and press. Just, you can see that's basically it. Together, I like to spray my face. I just spray my face to tone down the ashiness. So I'm just going to wait for it to dry before I apply my highlighter. So guys, after my face dries, I like to do my under mascara. Yeah, just like so. So just make it pop a bit and just do that. And this mirror is actually my highlight palette, so just take it a little bit like that. So I'm just going out for a bit, just do that like that. All the places you highlighted with the concealer, you just put a little bit of product on them. Just taking this a little bit and just applying it on places that I used highlighter, and then just take my finger to take a bit of product for my nose here, the pointed part. I used my lips before, but at the end of the day, when I use lip gloss, there's no point. I find that there's no point, but I'm just going to do this for the sake of this video. Yeah, so guys, this is the last and final phase of this look, and I hope you are feeling it. But for me, as a gloss girl that I am, we're going to be adding some gloss to this look. Let's go. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you can see the finished look, and I hope you love it, because it's looking, all those ashiness that you're seeing, it's all gone. Everything has come together, and I hope you guys love it so much. I love it. This is the look I would normally wear anyway. This is the look you catch me wearing on a normal day, not any serious occasion. This is the look I'll be wearing, and I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys learned a lot from it. I hope you like, share, subscribe, comment, leave a beautiful comment. If you have any questions, you can ask. If you have anything, you can DM me on Instagram. So I hope you guys love this everyday look from me. Love you guys so much. Bye. See you on my next one.